Hey everyone, welcome to DIY Wednesdays. Now, I know it has been a minute since I've been on. Oh, life happens, but we are getting right back on the train. So today I am going to be teaching you guys how to make your own at-home gel. Now, this can be a replacement to your heavier gels. Now, it probably won't work as good as like an Eco Styler or an Extreme Wet Line gel, but the whole is going to be pretty good, and you can use it for your wash and goes, or you can add it to some of your carrier oils and your oils and butters if you want to add a little bit of slip to your hair. So if you want to learn how to make your own hair gel, continue to watch this video. All right, let's go.
All right, ladies, first things first, we are going to bring 2 cups of water to a boil. And while that's boiling, I am going to measure out 5 tablespoons of slippery elm bark. When that water is finished boiling, or when the water comes to a boil, I am going to add that slippery elm into the water, and I'm just going to stir it. Check to see if it's too thick. If it's too thick, add some more water to it. And also, here's another tip: if you want to try this, try the slippery elm powder, because the bark is kind of difficult. As you can see, there's a lot of pieces in here and it's a bit more difficult to drain, so I would suggest trying the slippery elm powder. Okay, so we're going to sit this back on the stove for another 20 minutes. Now, this is how it looks when it's complete. After 20 minutes, it forms a beautiful gel. We boil it on about low to medium heat, not too high, because you don't want too much of the water to evaporate. And now it's time to strain. So I am going to take my glass bowl, and this is a paint strainer. I use this for our product, so it's very big, but this is all I had. So I'm going to cover my glass bowl, and I am going to pour the slippery elm into the jar, into the glass bowl. When I'm done with that, now notice I like to strain my gels anytime I'm doing flaxseed or slippery elm or anything like that. It's always best to strain it hot. The reason why is it strains easier because the gel solidifies even more when you strain it cold. So I strain it hot, but I always use a tongue or something like that, because of course you're going to burn yourself if you try to use your hand. So be very careful with this step, but notice it strains much easier because it's more liquid, it's loose, than if you try to strain it when it's cold. All right, so that's another tip for you guys. Please be very careful when trying to handle this. Use the tongs or use something that can press it, and then when it gets cool, then you can use your hand. So here, this was already cool, so I'm just going to strain the last bit of gel out of the paint strainer. And then I took it, I missed the footage, however, I just used the funnel and poured some of it into a 2-ounce bottle and put the rest in a mason jar and stored it in the refrigerator. Just look at that. Look at that. So now I am going to apply this to my hair, and let me tell y'all, it came out so nice. Like, look at it. It adds really good shine. I already have oil and moisturizer in my hair. So for definition wise, to keep my curls popping and keep my twists popping, oh my goodness. It was really nice. I loved how it came out. So if you guys want to try this, if you have any questions, let me know. If you try it, tag me. Tag me in your comments, tag me in your videos. I would love to see how it comes out, but I definitely will be incorporating slippery elm into my routine from now on. All right, guys, so if you have any questions, let me know below. And as always, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know if you like this video. All right, guys, I will see y'all later. Bye.